Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Visit the TRADOVATE website and look for the Sign Up button in the top right corner. Click it to begin your registration process. You'll be directed to a form where you'll enter your basic information like your email address and create a strong password. Step 2. Complete your profile by providing your full name, date of birth, and phone number. TRADOVATE needs this information to verify your identity and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Double-check everything before moving forward. Step 3. Now you'll need to select your account type. TRADOVATE offers different options depending on your trading experience and capital. Choose the live account option and select the contract you want to trade, whether that's futures, micro contracts, or something else. Step 4. Connect your funding method by linking your bank account or payment processor. TRADOVATE accepts bank transfers, wire transfers, and credit cards. Make sure your banking details are accurate to avoid delays. Step 5. Review the account agreement and risk disclosures, then sign electronically. TRADOVATE will conduct a final verification check on your information. Once approved, you'll receive confirmation and your account will be live and ready to trade.